hair is red. Do we like it? I think it's a vibe. I'm still getting used to it. I was gonna go back to my natural hair color, and then when I stripped my hair and it was like light, I was like, why would I do that? We need to do something fun. So it's red for now. Let's see how long that lasts. It doesn't usually last long. Anyways, I am back weekly vlogging again. So welcome back. I don't know, my life has just been so hectic at the moment. It feels weird to not be filming it because I feel like that's what I've always done. Like, I have been watching some of my old vlogs and old videos recently, just reminiscing, because I have had a break from YouTube for a while. It's just so fun to be able to share my life with you and also be able to record it for myself. So when I'm old and grey, I can look back on it and be like, damn, I fucking did that. But yeah, come join me on my week this week. I've got a lot of things to get excited for and to get prepared for, so I'm going to show you that too. I was supposed to go to a market yesterday for my business, and it just didn't happen. I was just like in my head about a lot of things, and it's so unfortunate. When like burnout happens at just like the worst time, like I just feel like I've just been running on empty for so long and not giving myself time and grace to, like, you know, just like do things that I want to do and like actually relax. Like, I feel like I haven't actually relaxed in so long, and that fucking sucks too. It's just like going through life running on empty and doing everything, and then it just all blows up in your face. And yesterday was just that. Like, I was so excited to go to that market too. I was so excited. I love going to markets for my business. It's so fucking fun. It's something I'm so passionate about. Just everything about it is just, I love it. But yesterday it just didn't happen, and I think that's okay. Like, I think that's also a sign. But I have another market coming up soon on April 12th, Fashion Thrift Society again in Melbourne, and I'm so excited for that one. So I will definitely be able to redeem myself there. But yeah, let's go get an iced latte now, because it's 1 in the afternoon and I haven't had coffee yet and I'm dying. So let's do it. Still undecided on this hair. Like, I ultimately think it's a vibe, but we'll just have to wait and see.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe. Time don't move backwards, it speeds to the future fearlessly. Charging forward when I open my mouth, though I may not know how. I know I was born to sing. Travel the world, raise baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting. I'm good. I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave.
is here. Nothing to say.
Yeah, it does help them to get different types of food off of substrate. So things that might be growing on rocks like your algae, sea anemones, sponges, anything like that.
It's all about getting them moving because they're so conservative with their use of energy. So they're cold-blooded. A lot of their energy comes from the sun. It's almost like they're solar powered. So what they eat mostly goes into building body mass. The smaller ones is only about 5% alcohol, but they're a very big female. So this species, the estuarine crocodile, saltwater crocodile, Indo-Pacific crocodile, also has the largest range because they can secrete salt, so they can tolerate salty habitats like the ocean. So natural habitat extends anywhere from Sri Lanka, southwest coast of India even, equatorial regions, Philippines, numbers have decreased in Thailand, Indonesia.
Come on, have another crack. One more? Give us a massive jaw pop. There we go, here you can have it, dude. Alright, so once they've got you, they're going to take you back in the water. Let's go for a walk, mate. And then, yeah, if you apply a bit of tension, say you hold them to a tree, they're going to try and knock you in the water. Massive head shakes, give us a roll, dude. Oh, bit wet there. Give us a roll, dude, come on. There's a roll, another one. Man, he's drenched you there. Give us another roll, come on, another roll. Yep. Come on, dude, give it here. That was my chance.
Andrew here is one of our wild caught crocs.
Got it. You got it. You got it.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around. 'Cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it if we try. keep on trying.
You got it.
I believe in you.
You got it.
I know you got this.
You got it.
Just keep on trying.
You got it.
The females.
There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate, just call on me.
Call on me.
And I'll help you carry some of that weight. I wanna make you understand, let you know that there's always a helping hand. 'Cause I know we can make it, yeah we can make it if we try. Yes we can make it if we try. Keep on trying.